So Tom, clearly we're now outside the multi-storey car park here at UHW, and everyone will know the difficulty of parking if they arrive any time after sort of, what, 7:30 in the morning?
Yeah.
But where we're stood is the park and ride stop, is that right?
Well, the park and ride stop is just outside the multi-storey,
Yeah.
just over there.
Yeah.
So that goes every 20 minutes
Yeah.
to and from Pentwyn. And so it's particularly if you're coming from the east of the city,
Yes.
it's ideal. And,
Yeah.
and the thing that surprised me when I first took it, it is genuinely really reliable and really quick. It's 7 minutes door to door every time. So
and
you
the
know,
parking at Pentwyn,
yeah,
that is reliable too, is it?
yep, there's loads of spaces, loads of spaces there. So it means that if you are coming and you're thinking, I've got to get to there for that time,
Yeah.
you're not going to worry about circling around the
Yeah.
multi-storey. And also, and I'm sure other people have had this, sometimes when I previously went to leave the multi-storey, it took me ages to get out as well.
No,
Yeah.
getting
So
out
it's the
can
same
be a real
here,
challenge.
it can be really quick. So what
Yeah.
we want to try and do, this is all part of the wider thing about how we get people
Connecting
active.
up.
But also, I mentioned about the air quality bit. So we've got air quality sensors now around the Heath site and Llandock site.
Okay.
So we're particularly interested
Yeah.
in understanding what that's doing.
And the traffic is, and you can smell it in the
Yeah,
air, can't
you
you?
can smell it
I
in
can
the air,
smell
yeah.
it now, and
Yeah.
particularly as it's a hot day.
Yeah, no, it's a really good service. If you've not tried it, I would
Okay.
just have to say, have
Yeah.
a go and you'll
Right,
be
I'm going to
surprised.
give it a go. Tom, that's brilliant. Thank you.
Will do.